Hi, I'm Karen Chuang, and welcome to Intro to Contemporary. Let's get started. Contemporary is an exploration of the internal self through dance. It should feel cathartic, freeing, like you're making a connection with yourself and others. With my Intro to Contemporary program on Steezy, you'll explore extremes. Visceral emotions, moving music, powerful stories. And anybody can do it. You're learning to tell your stories. We'll cover how to connect with your body and its range of movement, performance skills, all the basic moves you'll need to express yourself to different types of music. And we'll use tons of tips and improv exercises to help you get creative. Use the switch view function to watch me from every angle and better understand the quality of movement. I can't wait to share what I've learned about contemporary dance with you. There are infinite ways to manipulate the same movement to tell different stories. Ready to take all your deepest emotions, your pain, your pleasure, your pride, your joy, and let it all out? Join me and free your inner dancer.